Financial planning involves creating a roadmap to reach your future financial goals. It enables individuals to progress step by step towards achieving their financial aspirations. Long-term goals such as retirement, buying a house or car, children's education, or debt repayment are often the focus of financial planning. It involves determining the necessary steps and strategies to reach these goals. Before starting financial planning, it is important to understand your current financial situation. By reviewing your income and expenses, you can determine how much you can save. Consider your income, expenses, existing debts, and the amount you can save to get a clear picture of your financial situation. Next, it is important to set your financial goals and create a timeline to achieve them. For example, if you need to save a specific amount to buy a house, you can calculate how much you need to save and the time required to achieve that savings goal. It is also important to identify other steps you can take to reach your goal. These steps may include reducing expenses, creating a budget for saving, or finding additional sources of income to expedite reaching your goals. Financial planning is not limited to goal setting and timeline creation. It also includes tools to help you manage existing debts, establish an emergency fund, open retirement investment accounts, and more. Managing debts by making regular payments, researching low-interest loans, or seeking financial advice can help strengthen your financial security. Financial planning encompasses important aspects such as setting goals, budgeting, saving, debt management, and investment to reach financial goals. A solid financial plan not only helps you achieve your future financial goals but also enhances your financial security. Here are important steps in financial planning. Set your goals. The first step is to clearly define your financial goals. These goals may include long-term aspirations such as retirement, buying a house or car, children's education, or debt repayment. Evaluate your current situation, assess your current financial situation. Review your income and expenses, determine existing debts, and identify the amount you can save. This will give you an understanding of how close you are to your goals and how much you can accumulate. Create a budget. Develop a budget to balance your income and expenses. Determine your income and categorize your expenses. Identify areas where you can save within your budget and thereby control your expenses. Manage debt. It is important to manage existing debts. Review and prioritize your debts. Strive to reduce debts by making regular payments and paying attention to interest rates. Managing your debt strengthens your financial planning. Establish an emergency fund. Create an emergency fund for unexpected situations. Regularly allocate savings to this fund. An emergency fund provides security during unexpected expenses or income loss. Invest. Consider investments to reach your financial goals. Determine your risk tolerance and research different investment options. Diversifying your investments can increase your growth and income potential. Seek professional help. Consult professionals for guidance on complex financial matters or investment strategies. Financial advisors, tax experts, or investment consultants can guide you and help you achieve your financial goals more effectively. Financial planning is an important step toward reaching your future financial goals. By defining your goals, evaluating your current situation, and taking the right steps, you can achieve your financial goals. You can follow the steps below. Continuous tracking and evaluation. Regularly monitor and evaluate your financial plan. Review your income and expenses and update your plan when necessary. This ensures that you are on the right track to achieve your goals. Education and knowledge acquisition. Seek education and acquire knowledge about financial matters. Understanding financial terms and instruments helps you make better decisions. Stay updated through books, articles, seminars, or online resources. Discipline and determination. Discipline is crucial for successful financial planning. Stay committed to your plan, control your expenses, and strengthen your saving habits. Take determined steps toward your financial goals and be patient. Manage risks. Consider risks when creating your financial plan and take appropriate measures to manage them. Use tools such as insurance policies or emergency funds to minimize risks. Proper risk management enhances your financial security. Seek professional help. Consult professionals for assistance with complex financial matters or investment strategies. Financial advisors, tax experts, or investment advisors can guide you and help you achieve your financial goals more effectively. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.